the secret banking system that controls your money. Have you ever wondered why, no matter how hard you work, the banks always seem to win? Why your savings grow slower than prices rise? And why credit card companies seem to know exactly how to keep you paying forever? Because the truth is, the system isn't broken, it's built this way. And today, we're going to expose how the banking system really controls your money and how you can break free from it. Section 1: The Illusion of Money. Let's start with a shocking fact. Most of the money in the world doesn't actually exist. When you deposit $1,000 into your bank account, that money doesn't just sit there waiting for you. The bank takes that deposit and lends it out, up to 9 times over, to other people through something called fractional reserve banking. That means your $1,000 turns into $9,000 in new loans, all created out of thin air. In short, banks literally create money every time they lend it. But here's the twist. While they earn interest on that newly created money, you get a few pennies a year in savings interest. That's not a bug in the system. That is the system. Section Debt: The Invisible Chains. The modern economy runs on one thing: debt. Mortgages, student loans, car payments, credit cards. Every loan is money that didn't exist until someone borrowed it. Banks profit when people are in debt, not when they're free. And that's why financial literacy is never taught in school. Because if everyone understood how money really works, fewer people would stay trapped inside the system. Think about it. When you spend your life paying interest on cars, homes, or credit cards, you're transferring wealth upward, from the worker to the lender. The rich understand this rule. Those who understand interest earn it. Those who don't, pay it. Section 3: Inflation: The Silent Thief. Now let's talk about the biggest scam of all: inflation. You're told that inflation is just part of the economy. But here's the hidden truth. Inflation is a tax, one that doesn't need your permission. Every time new money is printed or created through loans, the value of your existing money drops. That's why a dollar today buys less than it did 10 years ago. Your savings lose power, while assets like real estate and stocks, owned mostly by the wealthy, rise in value. So while you're working harder to keep up, the system quietly drains your purchasing power day after day. Section 4: How to Think Like a Bank. So how do you escape the system? Simple. Stop thinking like a customer and start thinking like a bank. Banks don't save, they invest. They use other people's money to create income streams. You can do the same by turning your money into assets that work for you. Start a side business. Invest in dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or index funds. Learn how to make your money multiply, not just sit in a savings account losing value. Because the moment you stop working for money and make money work for you, you've stepped outside the system's control. The banking system was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to make them rich. But knowledge changes everything. The more you understand how money really works, the less control the system has over you. So the next time you look at your bank balance, remember, it's not just numbers on a screen. It's your freedom, waiting to be claimed. If you found this eye-opening, hit subscribe, because financial freedom starts with understanding the truth.